In this video, we will talk about Chinese government scholarship. So, let us start the video with 3 questions. Are you planning for further education? Are you looking for scholarships? Do you consider China as one of your prospective study destinations? If yes, then, you are at the right place. Watch to the end because we have the information you definitely need. First of all, CSC usually refers to the Chinese Government Scholarship, CGS. The full name of CSC is the China Scholarship Council, which is responsible for the enrollment and the administration of Chinese government scholarship programs entrusted by the Ministry of Education of the People's Republic of China. So CSC scholarship is the Chinese government scholarship. The Chinese government scholarship program has 3 different categories of scholarships. In this video, we will briefly explain these 3 categories of scholarships. Chinese government scholarship programs sponsor international students, teachers, and scholars to undertake degree studies, bachelor, master, and PhD, and Chinese language study or academic research in institutions of higher education in China. But before we proceed, if you are new here, make sure to give a thumbs up. And please, consider subscribing and turn on the post notification bell, so you won't miss future uploads regarding similar topics. Well, let us continue with this video. The Chinese government scholarship program has 3 different categories of scholarships. These categories differ from each other on the basis of allowance and perks. Other than that, the quality of education remains the same among all. Here is the current standard of the Chinese government scholarship. New standards shall apply in case of policy adjustment. As of the making of this video, the first category of the Chinese government scholarship is Category A, fully funded. CSC program Category Type A generally refers to the scholarship program that other institutions are responsible for recruiting students except for Chinese universities, means non-Chinese university programs. Applicants for such programs must fill in the agency number of the corresponding accepting institution, such as the Chinese embassy in a certain country, and the submitted applications will be reviewed by the corresponding accepting institution. Bilateral Program, Great Wall Program, European Union Program, ASEAN University Network Program, Pacific Islands Forum Program, World Meteorological Organization Program, Chinese Trade Union Silk Road Scholarship, MOFCOM Scholarship CSC Program, Marine Scholarship of China Program are all belongs to Chinese Government Scholarship Program Category Type A. This Category Type A includes tuition fee waiver, registration fees, accommodation, health insurance, and a monthly stipend. Tuition waiver. The tuition funds will be comprehensively used by the host university. It may cover scholarship students' education, administration costs, and expenditures to support student activities. Accommodation. You are entitled to a free university dormitory or accommodation subsidy. If the host university requires students to live on campus, the university will accommodate the scholarship students in a university dormitory, usually a twin room. If the host university permits students to live off campus, the university will provide monthly or quarterly accommodation subsidies. Stipend. For undergraduate students, 2,500 Chinese yuan per month. Master's students or general scholars are entitled to 3,000 Chinese yuan per month. And doctoral students or senior scholars receive 3,500 Chinese yuan per month. Within the scholarship duration, registered scholarship students will receive a stipend from their host university each month. It is important to take note of this policy, and that is, students registering on or before the 15th of the month will receive a full stipend of that month. Those who register after the 15th of the month will receive a half stipend of that month. Graduating students will receive a stipend half a month after the graduation date. If a registered student stays out of China for more than 15 days due to a personal reason, school holidays excluded, his stipend will be stopped during his leave. Health insurance. Health insurance cover is well taken care of by CSC annually, and will be organized by the host institution with an insurance company. Comprehensive medical insurance. 800 Chinese yuan per person per year. 400 Chinese yuan per person, for programs lasting less than 6 months. The second category of the Chinese government scholarship is Category B. CSC Scholarship Type B generally refers to scholarship programs responsible by Chinese universities under CGS Chinese University Program. This category involves the Chinese University Program for freshmen only. Applications of Type B will be reviewed by the applied universities. Remark: Type B CSC scholarships, students just need to apply to the targeted Chinese universities. Type B Chinese government scholarships require the applicants no more than 25 years old when applying for the undergraduate programs, no more than 35 years old when applying for the master's programs, and no more than 40 years when applying for the doctoral programs. But some scholarships of Type A allow the applicants to be older than the Type B standard. This category Type B includes tuition fee waiver, registration fees, accommodation, health insurance, and a monthly stipend. Note here that some scholarships from Type A cover more money, such as air tickets fee, more stipend, one-time resettlement fee, not only cover tuition, accommodation, medical insurance, and general monthly stipend as the Type B scholarship covers. The third category of the Chinese government scholarship is Category C. The CSC program Category Type C is usually for current students at Chinese schools, not for freshmen. International students who study in China have the opportunity to apply for this scholarship if they do perform well and achieve excellent results in school. It's usually a partial scholarship, not a full scholarship. Remarks. 1. The admission announcement time of both Type A and B scholarships usually be before July 31st. CSC Type B application time is generally from the beginning of January to April. However, some scholarship that belongs to Type A should be applied for from November to next year February. Please consult the designed agency for the specific application time of different scholarships. Or visit the CSC website, we have the link in the description. 2. Receiving schools for both CSC Type A and B students are within the Chinese universities listed on the CSC website. See the link in the description. 3. If it is a full scholarship in Type A and Type B, then that scholarship covers at least tuition, accommodation, medical insurance, and a monthly stipend. 4. Need to fill in the agency number at the time of application no matter Type A or B. This will be elaborated more on a separate video filling application for CSC scholarship. You can check the playlist on this channel to learn more. I hope you learned something from this video. If so, please do not hesitate to leave a comment below. If you have any additional information on this video, please do leave a comment for the benefit of humanity. I would really appreciate you hitting the like button. And please, consider subscribing and turn on the post notification bell, so you won't miss future uploads regarding similar topics. Stay awesome and see you in the next video.